How you doing, folks? Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a gorgeous 67 Chevelle SS 396. This car's had a recent frame off restoration done in a gorgeous burgundy pearl metallic. Super cool color. Paint's real slick, flat, nice show quality. The bumpers all been replaced, look real nice. The grills. Car's very straight down the sides. It's got the black bucket seat console interior. All the panel fitments very nice on the car. It's really hard to capture the actual how pretty of a color it is in pictures. See, the rear bumper's all been re-chromed. Does have the original taillight housings and they're in real nice shape. All your other wheel well trim and stuff's been replaced. Got your chrome 10-spoke riddlers, 17s up front, 18s in the rear, all new tires. Now, during the restoration, this car was cloned to an SS. It's got your vintage AC and heat. It's got a 454 aluminum intake and Holley. It's got your power disc brakes, power steering. See, they painted the underside of the hood real nice. Just a super, super nice car. That's your aluminum radiator in it. Got the correct shroud and fans, everything on it. It's got a 400 turbo trans. See how nice and clean the doors all are. Dash looks real nice. It's got an AM/FM CD stereo. They did a nice job mounting it in the dash. Headliner's all new, nice and tight. Sail panels look good. Seat covers have all been redone. Got the front and rear seat belts. Tell you, the paintwork on this car is super slick. You see, we got the original bill of sale, owner's manual. We got a whole bunch of paperwork on our restoration and the motor build and everything in here. Got your spare tire and cover. Got 12-bolt posi rear, boxed control arms. I tell you, the color is just gorgeous color. Really, really like the color of the car. See the AC unit, blows cold. Got a trio of gauges there also. Keep an eye on the motor. Just a super, super nice car. Fires right up. Got a nice mild cam in it. Sounds real good out the exhaust. Good sounding car. The reverse lights do work there. You can see they flashed when he went back and forth. It's a super nice car, guys. Get in this car, drive anywhere you want to go. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.